Django-orm-lens shows you every Django app, every model, every field, every relationship right inside your editor. No database, no Django boot, no credentials. Meet Django ORM-lens on GitHub. 26 stars, 5 forks, tagged for Python, Django, ORM, static analysis, and AI agents. 0 dependencies, MIT licensed, 16,000 lines of parser, ready to install. Under the hood, a 600-line pure Python parser. 0 third-party dependencies, turns your models.py into a structured schema that the sidebar, the ER diagram, the CLI, and the MCP server all share. The roadmap is community-driven. Discussion 27 collects 13 candidate features from static analysis, CI integration, editor UX, and AI agent surfaces. Upvote or propose your own. And just today, merged into awesome MCP servers. 91,000 stars, the largest MCP catalog on GitHub. Passed all checks. Glama score badge, added by the maintainer directly. 1 command to install the extension, 1 command for the CLI and MCP server. MIT licensed. 26 stars. 5-star rating. OpenVSX, verified by the Eclipse Foundation. Try it today.